Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change the page name on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Facebook, but be in Google Chrome. Don't use the Facebook application because it can bug and you won't be able to do it. So when you're in the Facebook application, click more here, and then you're gonna see on your page edit settings, and then you're gonna see page info. And then in about, you're going to see names. So let's click on it. And right here, you want to add a new Facebook page name. I'm going to leave this as it is, but this is how you can simply do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.